In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put Excel sheet in Miro. By the end, you'll have your spreadsheet living right on a Miro board, ready to reference and present alongside your other content. First, open your browser and head to Miro.com, then go to your dashboard. This is the home base where all your boards live. If you're part of a team, you'll see shared spaces here as well. The process we're about to follow works the same across workspaces. From the dashboard, look for the option to create something new. Click Create New to start a fresh canvas. When the options appear, choose Board. This opens a blank Miro board where we'll place the Excel file. Give the board a moment to load. You should see the standard toolbar and an empty canvas. Once your board is open, locate the plus icon that opens the content and media options. Depending on your layout, this icon may appear in the left toolbar or near the bottom. Click the plus icon to reveal more ways to add items to your board. In the menu that appears, scroll down to find the section that handles files and uploads. You may see several content types here, so keep scrolling until you reach the upload area. Select Upload to start bringing a file into the board. Next, choose My Device. This tells Miro you want to upload a file stored on your computer. A file picker window will open, allowing you to browse to your Excel workbook. Navigate to the folder where your spreadsheet lives, select the Excel file you want, typically a .xlsx or .xls, and click Open. Miro will begin uploading the file. Larger workbooks or files with multiple sheets may take a moment, so watch for the progress indicator. When it finishes, the Excel file will appear on your board as a file card or preview object. You can position it anywhere on the canvas so it sits alongside diagrams, notes, or other project assets. If you're presenting, zoom in to make the file name and details easy to read. Here are a few quick tips to make this smoother. Before uploading, make sure your file name clearly reflects its contents so teammates can identify it at a glance. If you don't immediately see the upload option after clicking the plus icon, scroll a bit more in the menu. Miro groups a lot of tools there. And if an upload ever stalls, try a stable internet connection and keep the file under typical size limits. That's all there is to it. You've successfully placed an Excel sheet onto a Miro board, ready to collaborate and share.